Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's a quick video. I wanted to show you all of the thank you cards that Oliver and I made for everybody to say thank you for shopping with me in March. And we made a whole host of cards. These are just some of them. These are one of each colour. And we decided he wanted to do an Easter themed card as a thank you, and that's because his birthday is on Easter Sunday this year. So his birthday is the 17th of April, so it often falls around the Easter holidays, but because it's actually Easter Sunday, he said, can we do an Easter themed card? And I said, yes, of course. And obviously perfect timing, it's arriving with everybody pre-Easter, so it's our little way of saying happy Easter. And so we worked with note cards, which are pre-cut, pre-scored, pre-everything. I think I've got one handy. That's a blank one. Here we go. So they're pre-scored in the middle. And then I commissioned him to cut all my designer series paper for me. So as you can see, there's a couple of different ones there. You can see the pattern. I grabbed all of my pastel shades that I had, the pale colours. I'm going to show you all of them in a minute. And I had him cut them down so that it was a feasible and reasonable size. So, oh, I've lost my ruler. Oh, it's on the end of my desk. So, yeah, so these are 3 by 4.5 inches. And bless his heart, he knows metric. He doesn't really know imperial. So I actually marked up my trimmer. I actually put pencil marks all along here. So he cut down all of the paper. Then I had him cut down some basic white cardstock, and with the Stamparatus, I had him stamp all of our little bunnies all over everything. I don't think I shared a photograph of that, but I did share a photo, bless his heart. I had him stamping hundreds of these little flowers, that each bunny is holding a little flower. And yeah, and then we cut them all out, and then he applied all of the glue, and I assembled. And it was lovely. I love spending time with my children, obviously, but it was really nice to spend time with him to put together just dozens and dozens and dozens of cards. So they are different colours. So I ended up with 2, 4, 10, 12, 13 different colours. So it wasn't just the Subtles collection, although this is Highland Heather. I pulled in other pastel shades because actually we're retiring this paper at the end of April. There's new patterns coming out. So let me show you the colours. So I've got Highland Heather and Fresh Freesia, Balmy Blue, Mint, no, that's Pool Party. That one is Soft Succulent, Mint Macaron, and then I've got Pear Pizzazz, Soft Sea Foam, So Saffron. That one is Pale Papaya, Calypso Coral, Petal Pink and Blushing Bride. So those are all our different colours. Yeah, we had a lot of fun making them. And like I say, I was just grabbing the pastel shades because, you know, I wanted it to be a sort of Eastery theme. I mean, this is probably the least pastel there is. But I just wanted those soft, nice Easter colours. And yeah, this is what we came up with. So, and the patterns are different. He cut, it was up to him which way round we did it, but we had a lot of fun, and I thought they were nice cards. It took us, oh gosh, maybe 5 separate occasions to do everything. Although to be fair, he did all of the cutting in one day. He did all of the cutting of the paper and the designer and the basic white in one day, and then it was a different occasion that he stamped the bunny. Oh, what's happened to my light? Ooh, come back. Let's pick up a darker one again. There we go. Yeah, and then he stamped the bunnies on a separate occasion and stamped the flowers on a separate occasion, and then we did the mass assembly line. And the way we did the flowers, because quite a few people were like, oh, I saw that on Instagram. What I did, you see, we had extras. I had him just stick them onto the mini glue dots in one go, and then we lifted off as we needed. So yeah, those were our spares. Bless him, he stamped plenty. But yeah, so these have gone in the post with a couple of little goodies and treats. For everybody who shopped with me in March, I always send out a handmade something and then a couple of little product goodies as well. So yeah, I just wanted to show them all to you. I hope you like them. Thanks ever so much for joining me. Bye.